This is beside the New England Highway, between Glen Innes and Tenterfield. There's some beautiful little flowers here. Very windy, they're getting blown around in the wind. And there's a bell-like flower which I keep seeing by the side of the road in clumps. So I'll go and get a closer look at that one. Some have these purple stripes. Others do not. Now the ones that don't have the purple stripes, inside have these yellow stamens. The ones that do have purple stripes so they've got these dark purple long stamens, and the ones without the stripes have a much lighter colour.